Hello everyone, in this video we're going to explore how you can achieve perfect marks for paper 2, the EDEXCEL English Literature AS examination. So just a brief reminder of the structure of the exams itself. So you have two papers for EDEXCEL, the first being 2 hours in length, the second being 1 hour in length. Let's focus on paper 2 then. So it's a 1 hour paper and it's open book as well, as we've said already, and obviously it'll be covering AOs 1, 2, 3 and 4. Your task is comparing two prose texts. You're essentially trying to write a comparative essay which is worth 48 marks. So these are the assessment objectives and how they're broken up over the course of your examinations. Obviously feel free to pause this and make sure you tell information in, because it's important to understand how much in terms of weighting your exam paper should contain. So you can see obviously for AO4 you're not going to write the majority of the essay, being that actually around double the marks if your ability to analyse and for your ability to write a thorough essay. So that's what you want to see more of, double the analysis to double the comparison actually. So don't be fooled by the nature of the task itself. But let's see how well you've been revising. So firstly, how do you plan a response? And then once you've done that, how do you write a perfect response? So I'm talking specifically about this question in the exam. Pause, make sure you write down your answers or discuss them with the person that you may be sitting with or not. And then when you're ready, press play to resume. So here are the mark schemes. So you can see to get level 5, which is the 30 to 36 range, what you're looking for is to ensure that you are first and foremost being explorative. So make sure you are being discriminating and explorative. So what does that mean? So that means you're choosing exactly what you need to help create a concise and effective argument. You also then want to explore those ideas in some greater depth. You want to make sure that you're also adding terminology throughout. And you want to make sure, that you're also displaying an evaluative approach. So why is the writer presenting ideas in the way that they have? Then, to gain the remainder of the marks, you're looking, as you can see here, for your AO4 to make a consistent exploration. So make sure you are all the way through creating thorough connections between the texts. So how do we plan? Well, it's nice and easy, isn't it really? So read your chosen question carefully and you make sure you underline the key parts of that task, because that's how you know you understand what you're being asked to do. Then you want to be considering your first text. How far does it agree with the question statement? Note that down. Then you want to think about 2 or 3 different ways in which the first text creates the argument you're suggesting. Then you planned half your essay. Then you want to consider your second text. Well, how similar or how different is that second text in relation to the viewpoints you've noted down? And once you've done that, then obviously you've clearly got an argument set up, the evidence sorted, the context attached, and evaluation, which you need to acquire 4 marks. That's an acquired skill that will take you some revision practice. Don't forget, you must be practicing how to revise key planning. Because if you can't do it in exam time, you will not create a perfect mark response. So, let's have a look at this question. Compare the ways in which the two writers of your chosen text present tensions within marriage. In your answer, you must consider the following: methods, links, relevant contextual factors. So it's interesting, isn't it? Because the bullet points there help to remind you exactly what you should have in your answer. So that's what we'll be working on our next video. So thank you. I look forward to you watching it with me again.